In this video, I will share with you 5 success principles that all you need to be successful in affiliate marketing. These principles are followed by every successful person in this world. Be it Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates. Every successful person believes and follows these principles by their heart. If you follow the first principle, then your half job is done. So, the first principle is set a definite and clearly predetermined goals. Yes, you have to set your goals first because people with goals succeed because they know where they are going. But why do people with goals succeed and fails when they have no goals? See, if you only care about your goals, you will certainly achieve it. If you wish to be rich, you become rich. If you think in negative terms, you will get negative result. If you think positive, you will get positive result. So this is the first principle. You have to set your goals for your business if you want to be successful in your business. Now we will talk about second principle. See, if you only follow the first principle and you miss the second principle, then knowing the first principle becomes useless. The second principle is we become what we think about all the day long. We become what we think about all the day long. So picture yourself that you are already achieving your goals. See yourself you are doing things that you will do after reaching to your goals. If you follow this principle, you will definitely achieve your goals. And if you want to know how to deal with negative emotion, then make sure to watch the fourth principle. But before that, I want to tell you the third principle. The third principle is successful person refuse to believe any circumstances that can stop them to reach their goals. Successful person don't depend on any circumstances. They make their own circumstances if they don't find it. So this is the third principle that you need to follow. Do you know the secret to make money with affiliate marketing is in the fifth principle that I will tell you in the video later. So just keep watching. The fourth principle is we must control our thoughts to control our life. Stop thinking about any negative things. Each time a fearful or negative thought comes, replace it with a positive mental picture and worthwhile goals. There is an action step for you in this video which I will tell you after the fifth principle. That will be your first step towards your goals. It will also a bonus for you in this video. The fifth principle is we cannot achieve anything without paying the price. We have to pay the price for everything we want. We cannot achieve anything without taking action because ideas are worthless unless we start taking action. So hold your goal before yourself. Start taking action. Everything will take place itself. Now what you need to do here is write on a card what you want specifically. Write a single goal that you want more than anything else. Carry it with you and see several times in a day and make sure to follow all these 5 principles. Now you have the right mindset to start affiliate marketing. But you cannot start affiliate marketing without knowing about affiliate marketing. So watch this video to know about affiliate marketing. Also, can you start affiliate marketing without having money?